Hi, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to make homemade pasta. And this recipe is pretty simple. You only have basically 4 ingredients. You have 2 cups of flour. You have 3 eggs. You have a half a teaspoon of salt. You have half a teaspoon of olive oil. So today I'm going to show you an easy way to make it. So we're going to take our flour and add it to the bowl. We're going to take our eggs and add it as well. Take our olive oil, add it, and our salt. So this way, I suggest wearing some gloves, otherwise your fingers are gonna be sticky. So okay, we have everything mixed in. So now we're just gonna break the yolks and basically stir it around until we get a dough. And this is why I suggest wearing gloves. So we're gonna take our dough and push down, press it. It's okay when it gets to this point, because when we need it, the gluten's gonna pull everything back together. Okay, we got it to this point right here. Now we're gonna push down, and then we're gonna fold, and then push down. So take off the gloves, show it this way. So we're gonna push down, fold, turn, fold again, and push down. And that's how we knead our dough. Okay, so I have the dough pretty much like so, and this is when it's pretty much ready. So what we're going to do, we're going to take plastic wrap. We're going to wrap it and then let it rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So, okay, it's been about 15 to 20 minutes and our dough has been rested fully. So we're going to take it off the plastic wrap. We have a little additional flour. We're going to dust the surface, and also we're going to dust a little bit onto our dough. We're going to push down. Now it's always good to have a rolling pin. I want to dust the rolling pin before we actually use it. So, because we're going to put it in our pasta machine. So, our pasta maker. Okay, so we have it like so. I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces. Like so. Dust it a little bit more flour. You want to push down, roll it. You want to make it really thin. Okay, so it's going to be a little messy. I like to take a sheet tray and put it underneath the pasta maker. So we're going to turn this on. A little bit of flour just to dust it so it doesn't stick. I'm going to put it in the pasta maker. Now what it's doing, it's flattening out the pasta dough. So I have this on number 1. So what we're looking for is to put it through at least twice on each setting. So Okay, add a little bit of flour on both sides. Let's move this to number 2. It's going to pull it through. Now, I like to cut my pasta in half to make it manageable, so you don't have really, really long noodles, because after a while it just makes it a little bit more difficult to eat. And next, we're going to take our attachment off, put our cutting attachment on to make the fettuccine noodles. Or you could add the attachment for the spaghetti noodles as well. But my favorite noodle is actually fettuccine. So it's out beautiful and cuts it. Okay, we have our noodles right here and they're ready to cook off into our boiling water. Okay, we have our hot boiling water and we're going to add our noodles to them. Now what's nice about fresh noodles are they don't take long to cook. They take about 2 minutes to cook. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes and our noodles are nice and al dente. We'll take it off the heat and drain them. Okay, we have our fresh pasta here. It's all finished. It's nice and beautiful al dente. It's ready for any dish that you would like. For instance, you could add tomato sauce to it. You could add Alfredo sauce to it and others. So if you would like to see more content like this, more recipes, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Thank you.